Notion calendar is just not another calendar. It's a game changer for anyone managing tasks, contents, clients, or their life. If you think it's just Google Calendar with a fresh coat of paint, think again. In this video, I'll break down why you should switch from Google Calendar to Notion. I'll show you how to link it to your Notion databases, use it like a pro for content planning, and even how to integrate Google Calendar seamlessly. So, first thing first, Notion Calendar is a standalone scheduling tool built by Notion, but designed to sync with your Notion workspace and Google Calendar. As you can see, it's clean, minimal, and actually useful. Think drag and drop scheduling, multi calendar views, and instant syncing with databases you already use in Notion. If you're using Google Calendar, just click here add calendar account, and just by clicking here, you will be able to add your Google Calendar right into it. I have already added that. So now all of my previous workspace, which was schedules, which was added in Google Calendar, will now be shifted right here. It pulls all your events instantly, and any changes reflect both ways. That means if you reschedule a Zoom call in Notion calendar, it updates on your phone's calendar app too. So point number 3, linking database, which is the real power. If you've got a Notion workspace for content, clients, or tasks, you can pull those databases right into Notion calendar. How? Let me show you. Just click on add, just click here in add Notion database. Select which one you wanted to add. I'll just simply add this one. As you can see, simple. It's added, and even I have right here, I added this how to master DaVinci on the May 8th, and also it has tested that. As you can see, it's as simple. You can use it like a Notion, like a calendar app, but with steroids on. So this Notion calendar is basically a calendar app, but on steroids. You can pretty much add any of your databases or whatever you want. You can add that simply there. How you can plan your life with Notion calendar. Plan your life like a system. Here's how I use it. Content calendar. As I have already shown you that I just link it with my all of other projects in Notion. My YouTube video uploads are linked to a Notion database. I I see what's filming, editing, or publishing at a glance. Second, client work. Each project, as you can see, I do a pretty lots of client works. So all of these I manage in Notion. Each project is a card in Notion. The due date pushes to my calendar. I can group by client status or even team members. This is as simple as that. So here's some advanced tips. You can use Notion calendars hour based view, schedule focus blocks like deep work for admin time. You can add whatever you want to add here and work as simply as possible. You can toggle between day, week, month, and even you can customize the days whatever however much you want. And by the way, Notion calendar has a lot of shortcuts you can use, like from if you can see all keyboard shortcuts is. So I'll just simply press question mark, press to control plus K, and as you can see it has all of these shortcuts showing up. But if you don't want like that, just simply press on control shift, simply press shift question mark, and as you can see it popped all of these keyboard shortcuts. You can use that to level up your workspace. So last but not least, limitations. Look, Notion calendar is not perfect yet. No mobile app and offline access is limited, but the sync, the simplicity, and the way it connects to your Notion brain makes it worth adapting. If you live in Notion, it's a no-brainer for you. If you're already using Notion or organizing your brain, Notion's calendar makes it feel complete. It just helped drop a like that the algorithm know you're into productivity tools that actually work, and hey, if you want full Notion workspace walkthrough that connects everything from habit to money to YouTube growth, let me know in the comments. I read everyone. Peace.